Hi everyone, and welcome to the Home Automation X channel. My name is Cindy and I'm here with Anika. And thank you for watching our Christmas episode. It's just around the corner. Can you believe it?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. In this video, we are going to show you our top smart tech Christmas gifts for under 50 bucks.
Now, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, guys, and click that bell icon to remain notified because we do release videos on a weekly basis. Also, please use our Amazon links if you have to shop on Amazon for anything at all. Those links help us out and they are in the bottom of the description box in every one of our videos.
And finally, if you want to see our videos weeks before everyone else, see our Patreon link down below for all the details.
Awesome. So we did a few videos on how to build your smart home with a budget. But in this one, we'll give you ideas on what to get that special someone for Christmas under $50.
Yay! Now I'm going to start with the Smart Scale by eTech City. That's right. It only costs 25 bucks and it can sync your body composition with Fitbit, Apple Health, Google Fit, and it allows you to create 8 member profiles to track your family's progress. That's right, it calculates weight, body fat, body mass index, and more to help you keep on track and achieve the weight loss goal you are seeking.
So we are a fan of these smart plugs. They are a cheap way to create a smart home with Alexa routines. And with the Smart Life app, we will link the videos down below on how to use these bad boys in your smart home.
Woo. Now this smart power strip that I was holding up because I got way too excited by Tekken is only $24 and it comes with 4 outlets and 4 USB ports. And it is great as everything is in one spot, so it's a one-stop shop. And it also has a surge protector to protect your devices. The 4 sockets can be controlled separately with either the Amazon Echo or with the Google Home.
Alright, so Tekken also has this 2-pack of smart plugs with a USB port for $20. It's great for tight spaces. They also have this 2-pack of color light bulbs here. Ooh. And no hub is required.
That's right.
Yeah, so those are the light bulbs. They are priced at $23 and you can control them from anywhere your Amazon Echo and Google Home would like.
That's right. Now we're also a fan of setting up smart LEDs to brighten up your home or give it that party look. So whether you use these lights by Lighting Ever or by Minger, they will look great under your kitchen cabinets, behind your TV, or even to light up your backyard. They make a big difference to your home and the cost is under 20 bucks.
Now to automate all of these devices, you definitely need to set up some routines. This can easily be done with either the Google Home or the Amazon Echo. We did videos with both. We'll link them down below on how we set these bad boys up using our routines. You can also control all of your devices with your voice and finally play your favorite music.
Whoop whoop. Now this one here probably is one that you don't realize you'll need until it's too late. Now it is a car dash and this is a camera that you can set up for under $50. We did a couple of videos showing how to install them, but basically if you get into an accident, it's your word against theirs. Now with a dash, you're actually protecting yourself and you can prove that the other person was at fault. It's also great for your protection. And if you get pulled over by the cops, you can flip it around to the window and have the whole video and audio conversation recorded. We posted a link below to various ones.
Very important to make sure you have that one. Let us know what you guys think of all these ideas for under $50. Do you have any of the ones that we mentioned? Do comment below and let us know.
That's right. Now if you found this video useful, I ask that you please share it on social media. Also, there are these videos here on the side that you've got to check out. The video on the top is our most recent one, and the one below is the one that we recommend just for you. So please click on either one and check them out. We appreciate all of your support that you provide to us and to the channel.
Happy shopping!
Woo!